Welcome to 3738 East McDowell Road, right near the Arcadian area. This one bedroom, one bath apartment is packed with style, so let's check it out. As you walk in, you're greeted with beautiful wood flooring that runs throughout this entire unit, plus an open living space with a ceiling fan and a cozy dining area featuring a built-in nook overlooking the street. Now let's look in the kitchen. This is where it really shines. You've got stainless steel appliances, sleek black hardware, and a butcher block countertop that brings everything that puts together. Plus tons of cabinet space for all your storage needs. Right off the kitchen, you'll find an additional shelving and your water heater tucked away for convenience. Now down the hall, there's a bonus closet for extra storage, always a plus. Now in the bathroom, clean, modern, and stylish. Marble sink, countertops paired with black hardware makes it really stand out, and the tub is perfect for relaxing after a long day. And now finally, the bedroom, bright, comfortable with a ceiling fan and spacious walk-in closet complete with built-in shelving. This is one sample, stylish, in a great location, definitely worth looking.